Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you fix the Instagram notes feature not showing up in your application. So first of all, let me just open up my Instagram, and now on the top you see it says leave a note. Now what is note? Note is basically a status that stays for 24 hours. It's also like story, but it's just text. Some of you might have used Discord, and it's pretty much like that. So basically, I can leave any note, like DM me, something like that, and I can share. And now on the top it says DM me, so that is what I noticed. Now this is a new feature, like it's been launched like very recently, and for some people this feature might not appear. The only reason it's not appearing is that you probably are not on the latest version of the app. So you're gonna go to your app store, or if you're using Android, you're gonna go to your Google Play Store. And sorry, I was searching for notes. I'm gonna search for Instagram, sorry. And now you need to make sure that it says open and not update. Mine was already having the notes, but I think there might have been one update that I already installed. So in case it's not showing for you guys, you need to just update your app, and most probably it will be there. Right now it's taking a while to update this application, but since I already have my notes working, so it's no problem for me. But for you guys, you need to update the app, and then you'll be able to see your notes, hopefully. I hope this video was helpful and I answered all your questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.